Hi guys, welcome back to Guru's Library. So today I'm going to attend a book fair which is organized in my hometown Jamshedpur, and it's a carton based book fair. So basically there is a pricing for those cartons, and you are allowed to accommodate as much book as you want in those cartons, but like it's like already there is a price for it, so the prices are already fixed. So yeah, based on that you can collect based on your favorite books that are available there. So yeah, I'm going to attend that. So yeah, let's just get started and we will see you in that book fair. So guys, right now we are at the location and I'm going to show you like what I'm going to purchase today. So let's just see how the book fair is organized, and I'll show you everything. Yeah, so let's just get started. Hi guys, so now I am at my home. So I just came back, and this is something which I wanted to show. Like this is the overall box that I have, and I have collected a lot of books. I mean, there are like two boxes. One is of 1500 and one is of 2400. So I don't wanted to go with the 2400 because I have already purchased a lot of books like in this month January. So I just wanted to collect books that I have heard about. Those are like classics, and as well as some of the books that I have already read, but I don't have it. So that's why I thought that maybe I should collect those books, as well as the books that I haven't read, and they are like the best books. They are like best classics. So that's why I thought that maybe 1500 book, like the 1500 box, will be the perfect option for me. So now let's just see like what I have collected in this box. So I'll just unbox this, and we will get to know what are the gems I have collected. So I'm just putting it down, like I'm just keeping this box down, and one by one I'll just reveal like what I've collected. So to just start with the first book, so this book is Pakistan, like the partition of India. So it's the book that I wanted to read because it's written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and I haven't read this book, and it's something which I wanted to read. So that's why this is one of the best book I have collected. So this is the first. Now second is the Leadership, the 1 Minute Manager. So this book is really interesting, and it's best in the non-fiction, because this is something which I heard like in 2020 when I was preparing for my this MBA. So at that time I heard about this book, and this book is something which is like a sort of it will give you an idea like how a manager should become like a leader, so something related to that. So this is the book which is like I wanted to read. So yeah, this is the second book. Third book is a short history of nearly everything. So this is the third book, and this is something which will give you a much more perspective of how you should demonstrate history. So this is something which is like some travel related events, and how some small history, some small stories collected during those travels. So it is being represented in this book. So I'm just going to read this book as well. So yeah, this is the third book. The next book is The Selfish Gene. So it's written by Richard Dawkins. So this is the book which I heard somewhere. So I heard in some interview, and it will give you a perspective on like how the genes, like the like us, for example, so how we evolved and what are the things that are involved in that. So something related to that. So this is the fourth book. The next book is The Old Man and the Sea. I have already read this book, but because there was some space and I wanted to occupy all of this space, and I wanted to have this book because it's written by Ernest Hemingway. So this book got, I guess, Nobel Prize, and it is really interesting because the level of writing, the level of creativity, so that is it's mentioned in this book. So it's very amazing. So Ernest Hemingway, The Old Man and the Sea. So this is the fifth book. Next book is Foundation's Edge. So this is the sixth book. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the sixth book, and I have heard somewhere about this book, so in some interview or something. So that's why I wanted to have this. So this is the sixth book. Then I have collected, so there is another book written by Ernest Hemingway. So this is Green Hills of Africa. So this is something related to the story when Ernest Hemingway, so he was in Africa, and he saw something related to the events that happened in Africa. So I think it's related to that. I haven't read this book, so I'll read about it. So yeah, this is the seventh book. Now this eighth book is so this is the Living with Lama. So I thought that maybe this book is something which it's very interesting, because I heard that it is related to some mystic events, related to some stories that is demonstrated by understanding what cat was saying. So something related to that. So yeah, that's why I kept this book in my box. So yeah, this is the 8th book. I think I'm like not sure of the counting. Let me just count how many books I have unboxed till now. So yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we have 8 books. Now the next book is, so this is The Art of Happiness, written by Dalai Lama and Howard C. Cutler. So I wanted to read this book and I saw it on like Amazon, but somehow during that time I was not sure I should buy it right now. But when I saw it in this book fair, so I thought that maybe I should give it a try. So yeah, luckily I got this. So this is the 9th book. Oh, so the next book is The Famous Animal Farm, written by George Orwell. I have already read this book, not once, twice, but obviously I don't have any copies of Animal Farm, so that's why I thought maybe I should fill my box with this book. So yeah, this is the 9th book. Sorry, this is the 10th book. Okay, another book written by George Orwell. So this is Down and Out in Paris and London. So this book is also, I thought maybe I should keep it. I haven't read this book, so I'll give it a try. So yeah, this is the 11th book. Okay, the next book is The Devil and Miss Prime. So I don't know like if it's, yeah. So this is the book written by Paulo Coelho. So this is the book which I haven't read, so I'll be reading this one. Next book is, this is a very controversial book, The Satanic Verses. So written by Salman Rushdie. So I wanted to read this book because I just wanted to know like what he has written. So it's very controversial, and I think the author died somewhere because of this book. He written something, and because of that he was killed. So I'm not sure about this event, but I heard somewhere. So maybe I'll be going to read like what happened with this book, and like what was the event related to his killing or like death, whatever it is. So yeah, Salman Rushdie, The Satanic Verses. Okay, there are 2 more books. So the next one is The White Tiger, and this book it received the Man Booker Prize in 2008, and I think there is one movie also based on this book. So yeah, this is the I don't know the count, but yeah, this is the like bottom 2nd book. Yeah, and the last book is The Celestine Prophecy. So this is something which is an experiential guide to know more about yourself. So it's more like reflection or something related to that kind of a book. So I just wanted to try it. So yeah, this is the last book. So yeah, overall there are many books that I've collected, and I think with this my whole year of having a good collection of books is now completed. Maybe I'll buy some more, but I'm not sure about it. So yeah, these are the books that I collected from this book fair, and the book fair that was organized in Jamshedpur. The name of that book fair, it was a common book fair. It was situated in Muslim Library, which is in Bistupur, and Booktail organized this book fair. So yeah, this is the collection that I have, and I hope you can order many books from their website. So this is not a sponsored video, but yeah, if you want to buy, so you can go to their website and you can check out if they have some books or not. So yeah, this is the video related to this book unboxing. So we will meet in the next video with some other content. Till then, take care of yourself, and goodbye.